nwoke agwa gị na nwa m nwaanyị na-abata ịkwado etu a chiri nke echi n'aka pụta ihe ikpekwuru n'anya. Mommy. Hey. Me. So ni na na-eche ka nwụọ. Nya ihe na-eche ka nwụọ before ị nata. Mmiri Mma, so hey, I did not matter anything to you. I did not mean anything to you now.
Me man I don't know busy in office.
You busy now. You be na make ka mma.
No wa ahapụrụ m office gbara na abịa sịkwa na achọrọ m ihe mere nne m. Na ị na-aghọrọ m aghụghọ.
So ị na-eche ka nwụọ.
Mba. Hey, don't say that. No. You will not die, mommy. You will not die.
Onwe ka nga straight to the point, Ki yare ya ọrụ echi, Ị mana ị na-egburi ya niile. Ifu na onweze ebiri gị dị single, Na ya ọta ihe m na-ekwu, So, mgbe m na-akpọkwa gị na phone, ị na-asị m na ihe dị na Tonya. Mkpọkwa gị echi, esi m relationship onwe school nke m inwe. Nnecha ya sị na ọba uru. I need them grandchildren, Where you can join us for this young Meko nwa, odogo nwa, na be ha all the single, gị nwa dị single. Wes no ya daba dunu ka jo ka me this match making na kam duto na ma no. Nwoke, odogo nwoke. Nwoke, odogo. Agabuchi mu. Hey, ina fun nwoke tọrọ ụtọ. Wes ka ndutie. All the single, gị nwa the single. So,
yes. Nne ihe okuru bụ eziokwu. No need ka nkowa onwe m. Ama m ama n'obodo a. Ana na-ezu ohi, ana m agba ama. Ana na-ewe ihe mmadụ. Mana ngafe ihe ehu, na ọ ga-adabakwa na mụ na gị na-eme m anya.
Don't na aka na hangiri n'enu. Don't touch me. Look at Mommy. Ke wano deka embarrassment bi ihe nka.
Embarrassment kwa. Nigoro nwoke. Na nna tụgharịa. Ọ esi ni onwe ihe ọnwa ha esi. Ọ na-aza. Ọ dị ike ọrụ. Ete anyị nwere ego just elutu touch up ka ihe eme ya. Nwoke akwụrụ. I don't know dey nwoke na-adị.
Mommy, na go to my standard. Na go to my level. Na go to the business like I own a company.
Yes.
I have a lot of things to do. But I had to come down because of you. Getting here, seeing this useless thing that is looking like what I don't even know. Come on, look like get mafia. Get me here. Always okay. Look at his face. They're gonna give me the email. They're gonna call me the canopy. So disgusting. Can you tell them? Oh no. Mommy. Oh my goodness.
Yes, let me tell you the truth. Shut up your mouth. Get up from here. Are you mad? It's so embarrassing. Shut up.
Yes.
Look at this that human being. No, my goodness. Mommy.
Thank you.
Chalo, I don't have me here for all this nonsense drama. Mommy, I don't believe you can do this thing to me.
Sorry. Mmiri Mma buzie enu mu no.
Mommy, please, it's okay. I've heard what you said. I've heard. Man, even though I will consider him, no. Man, like if you baraba. You
can even ask your mother. Yes.
Yes, if we go
okay, mommy. Let me have a rest. All right.
No problem. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
It's again. What is rest in peace?
Where's the key by me?
Rest in peace. Look at you.
You said you want to go and rest.
Yes.
Then rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Only those people that are dead, not me that's still alive. Are you mad?
Okay, you are still alive.
No.
You were one who were rejected. Big Baba Shili Kedikamo. He rejected. You rejected me because of again.
Don't talk to my daughter like that. Oh yeah, Ona, mission abolished.
You. Why won't I reject you? Do you look like a human being?
Ask your mother. Ona time I can see her.
Don't talk to my daughter like that.
I'm not even talking to your daughter like that. Even you, self. Ask your mother. Oh, te go na ebidoro na akwa one ebilo one solindo. Here I'm trying to help you. You don't want to. Allow me to talk. I'm trying to help you.
No, nobody hit you.
Mommy,
no.
He's living with you. No, you didn't get. You didn't hear.
So now
in a town there, I don't wait on one.
Who do?
Hey,
You
he won't got no. He won't got no. It's up. Make it ready. Hey, mommy. So this man is sleeping with you.
sleep.
On a lag.
Hey,
On a lag. No, you don't expect. Hey, mommy. You see what I done, Wamo?
no.
What you can come? But be who before. Hey, abomination. Hey,
Abomination.
mommy has killed me. Oh.
Sorry,